Hello, Super Friends. Welcome to Super Friends NYC. You know, I've had this channel for 28 months, and over those months, I've received 3 special gifts in the mail from Super Friends. Well, 4 if you'll include this. There, this one is from LV Original. And we all know who L is, right? L and Mommy L, thank you so much for this. You may have seen me wear this on my streams at least a couple of times. And also, Nicole Gacha, does anyone remember her? She is one of the sweetest super friends. When I met her last year, she gave me a bottle of red wine, a Filipino-inspired face mask, and greeting cards. How sweet is that? I think she is celebrating her birthday in a couple of days. Nicole, happy birthday. Super Friends miss you. I hope you come back soon. Wish you all the best for your birthday. Now, going back to the gifts, I love receiving gifts and unboxing gifts. I think we all do, right? But in my case, I enjoy receiving more than giving. Is that bad? No, I'm just kidding. Now for this vlog, I'm going to unbox all these 3 gifts. That's really exciting, right? But before we start, if you are new here, my name is Fernando. If you're not subscribed yet, you better subscribe and be a super friend. Maria Schultz is watching. Well, super friends, let us start unboxing. 2 days ago, I received a special package from a super friend. The packaging is quite cute. There is a rabbit here, and there is, oh no, it's not a rabbit, it's a squirrel. Right, it's a squirrel. Her name is AlexCootie. She's also a YouTube creator, and the content of her channel is about the jewelry she makes, like earrings. She paints them. It's one of a kind, vintage looking. They're very, very pretty. She also makes coasters and trinket boxes. They're all very cute. Here, oh, there's a letter, a long letter, an essay with a rabbit. Squirrel. It says, Fernando, this is just a thank you from a friend. I appreciate you promoting my channel and website. I'm going to finish reading it after I do this unboxing video. And here, oh, they're coasters. Oh, squirrels. The package is really nice. Look at that. 2 squirrels. Very cute. I got 4. Thank you so much, AlexCootie. I really appreciate it. I went to her website and ended up buying this beautiful trinket box, which arrived today. Fragile. I already opened it. Super Friend certificate. My logo, and is that me? And it says, Ministry of Kindness, Helpfulness, and Fun. In recognition of the successful completion of their... This is pretty awesome. Look. And here, my picture in Miami, Florida. How much is the gratuity? Well, very fragrant. It's fragile. That's what it says. Handle with care. Very cute. Oh. Inside the box, where flowers bloom, so does hope. Lady Bird Johnson. There. Alex, once again, thank you so much for my cute coasters and my trinket box. When you get a chance, please check out our website. I'm sure you're going to find something you love there. All their information will be on the description box. That concludes our unboxing video. Hello, super friends. I'm back for the second package. It came in the mail in June, and this one is from M. Wall on the Run. I don't know how she discovered me, but I'm glad she did. I know she's a former NYC resident. M. Wall has been a super friend for more than 2 years now. Thank you, M. Wall. Look what we have here. A hat. Forest green. I love the color. Let me try it on. And there's a string. I think you can push it up so it stays on my head. I look like Indiana Jones, yeah? Opie. OP? Yeah, OP. She knows I love to use hats, especially when it's sunny out there. This one, I can use it whenever I'm out there walking, shopping, streaming, or just being out there enjoying the day, right? Thank you, M-Wall. I love it. Next. A plastic bag. Hey. Thank you. Have a nice day and a smiley face. Oh, how bongga. I think I'm going to use this the next time I go shopping for fat mangoes in Chinatown. Very cute. And next, Lifesavers. Hard candy, 5 flavors. Raspberry, watermelon, orange, pineapple, and cherry. It's okay. It's individually wrapped. Here. I'm going to try this one. I think watermelon is very more. Oh! I've got 2 bags. Great. How sweet. One more. Excuse me. It was a little difficult to talk. Anyhow, there's one more. Oh, sunglasses. Wow, I love the color. And they match the hat. Privé Revaux. I hope I pronounce it right. There. Hat. Glasses. What do you think? Wait. My recyclable plastic bag with Lifesavers. Perfection. Once again, M-Wall on the run. Maraming salamat for being a super friend for over 2 years. And these goodies, of course. Super friends, that has been our second unboxing video of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the third one in 2 seconds. Welcome back, super friends. We are now down to the last package. At the end of July, about 4 months ago, I had an amazing time visiting my family in the Philippines. While I was there, I received a special package from SuperFriend Soleil. Soleil, maraming salamat. I hope the next time I'm back home, I get to meet you and Michael. We can start unboxing, but before that, if you haven't subscribed, now is a good time to do that. Soleil is based in the Philippines, and when she told me about this package, of course I got excited. And 4 months, almost 4 months after, I'm going to open it. Let's see. She has been a super friend for almost 2 years. Yeah, that's a long time, right? Let me see. Here, what do you think it is, super friends? Ooh, here. And there's a note. Fern, here's to finding a little happiness in everything. Ingat ka, and we are here to support you. Mikey and Soleil. Very sweet and very nice penmanship. Mikey and Soleil, I love it. Pero ano ba to? What is this? Let me see. Oh, a scarf. Oh, I love it. Let me see. Acne Studios, made in Italy. Wow, bongga. Look, I love the color. Or the colors. Navy, orange, yellow, lavender, orange, green, and it's very warm. Ay, ang ganda. And ooh, what is this? Oh, nail clippers. Philippines. Ooh, once again, Soleil and Michael, maraming salamat. And I am looking forward to meeting the both of you the next time I am back home. And expect me to wear this in Times Square soon. And if you are new here, you will find me every Saturday night live in Times Square at 10 o'clock. People watching, interacting with people. I'm sure you are going to love my Times Square show. And that has been our unboxing video of the day. Alex Cootie, M-Wall on the Run, Soleil, L the Original, Mommy L, and Nicole Gacha. Maraming salamat. Super friends, be kind, be safe, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much for being a super friend. Salamat! I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye-bye! That has been our unboxing video or videos of the day. If you are new here, you will find me every Saturday night in Times Square. Hello, super friends! I'm back for 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 the second package.